Hello everyone! In today's video, we will be talking about 12 amazing foods that can help clean your arteries naturally and potentially prevent you from experiencing heart issues. Taking care of our cardiovascular health is essential, and incorporating these foods into our diet can go a long way in maintaining a healthy heart. The first food on our list is garlic. Garlic is not only a fantastic flavor enhancer but also has been shown to have numerous heart health benefits. It helps reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and even prevent the formation of plaque in the arteries. Next up, we have avocados. These delicious fruits are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. They are also a great source of potassium, which aids in regulating blood pressure. Moving on, we come to spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamins and minerals that are known to promote heart health. It contains plenty of potassium, folate, and antioxidants that can help lower blood pressure and support the overall health of your arteries. Another food that can cleanse your arteries naturally is pomegranate. Packed with antioxidants, pomegranates can help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, which is a major factor in the formation of plaque. Consuming this delicious fruit regularly can potentially improve your heart health. Now, let's talk about nuts, specifically walnuts and almonds. These nuts are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Regular consumption of walnuts and almonds has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and improved blood flow through the arteries. We can't forget about the humble olive oil either. This staple of the Mediterranean diet is rich in monounsaturated fats, which boost good cholesterol and lower bad cholesterol levels. Use olive oil as a healthy substitute for butter or other cooking oils to reap its heart protective benefits. Number 8 is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, typically with a high cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids that promote heart health. It helps lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of blood clots. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as an occasional treat to satisfy your sweet tooth while caring for your heart. Number 9 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, which are all heart-healthy nutrients. Number 10 is legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in fiber, protein, and various nutrients that support heart health. Number 11 is oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels. The last is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, which helps protect arteries and promote proper blood clotting.